Okay, this is a quick little review video of the introductory elements of WordPress for web design. One of the first things you're obviously going to need is a domain name and some server space. We would recommend Media Temple because that is one of the partners of WordPress. They're very good and well informed on all aspects of the WordPress software. WordPress being a free open source software that is extremely popular right now in the private sector. Once you register your domain name and get your server space with someone, a hosting company like Media Temple, they will give you a username and password, and that will take you to, when you log in with your domain name like example.com, you will then put on the end of it /WP for WordPress -admin or WP login, and it will take you to this screen where you will simply input your username and password, and that will then, you can log in, and that will take you to what's known in WordPress as the dashboard. And the dashboard is where you're going to be able to actually build your site. So this is the dashboard. Right here is where you can create pages, add new pages, and they will show up in your WordPress website along here. These pages automatically appear along the navigation bar. You can see that I've gone ahead here and I've actually got some child pages dropped in there, and in another video we'll discuss how that's done. But as you add pages, they will be added along this toolbar. For example, right here I'm going to go back into my dashboard and add a test page just so you can see how that's done. I go to pages, I select add new, and I can put in test, and I'll simply put in some content. One of the wonderful things about WordPress is that the icons and the work environment is very much like Microsoft Word. So people are very familiar with it and should get used to it very quickly adapt to it, become very popular. And I'm just waiting for that to refresh so I can go here, and right here is your refresh button. Once I hit refresh, the updated test page should arrive right in here. So I'm just going to hit refresh. You can see that it's working. The little spinning wheel here tells us that it's working, and once that stops spinning, the page is refreshed, and here is our test page, and I can click on that and it'll say content in our test page right along there. The other thing I'm going to want to do on this page is take off comments. This is a comment box where users can leave comments or whatever they want to say or do regarding your posts. In this particular example, we have added a page, so we do not want comments on pages. So I'm going to go to pages, select all pages, and I'm just going to go into quick edit and uncheck the comments box. I'm just scrolling down, and here's test right. I just go into quick edit. This is my test page. There's a difference between pages and posts. Posts pop up on a blog, and you do want to have comments enabled on your blog posts, whereas pages are different pages in a website, and I would recommend that you do not have comments live on your pages. So I'm just going to hit refresh. I unchecked the box in my dashboard, and I've just hit refresh. So now when I go into the test page, there should not be any comments, and as you can see, it's now gone, and we've just got a little bit of content, and indeed I've noticed that I spelt content wrong. No biggie. Let's move